And all eyes today are on Delhi, as it is finally the D-Day for Delhi, which votes today in a fiercely contested assembly election, with the ruling Aam Aadmi Party aiming to secure a third consecutive term against the BJP, which hopes to dethrone the incumbent, and the Congress, which is looking for a resurgence in the national capital. The fate of 699 candidates across all 70 constituencies will be decided by over 1.56 crore voters who will cast their ballots today. Now, this election also marks a turning point, since it is the first one after Arvind Kejriwal's resignation as the chief minister. The fierce Delhi polls is also being seen as a prestige battle, as Arvind Kejriwal is contesting from New Delhi, which is a seat he has won since the year 2013. Now, Arvind Kejriwal faces a strong challenge from BJP's Parvesh Verma and Congress Party's Sandeep Dixit. Now, both are sons of former chief ministers. The Kalkaji seat is also a high-profile constituency between the Aam Aadmi Party leader and Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, Congress leader Alka Lamba, and BJP's Ramesh Biduri. Another key contest is the Jangpura seat. Former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, is contesting from here, and it is a seat held by the Aam Aadmi Party since 2015. He faces BJP's Sardar Tarvinder Singh Marwa and Congress Party's Farhad Suri. The election is being held under a tight security blanket following a high-pitched campaign dominated by debates on governance, corruption allegations, voter list tampering, law and order, and promises of freebies. And my colleague Nikhil and Kritika are now joining us with the latest on this. Nikhil, coming to you first, how has the voter turnout been so far?
So, Anjali, the voter turnout appears to be very much low, at least in the New Delhi constituency. It currently stands at around 6.51. But currently we are reporting from this particular polling station, which is the St. Columbus School. In a short while from now, as per the details, Sanjay Singh, who is the Member of Parliament from the Aam Aadmi Party, he is going to arrive here. And to reiterate the voting percentage, in the Central Delhi, it currently stands around 6.67%. In the East Delhi, it stands currently at around 8.21%, but the lowest has been recorded for New Delhi constituency from currently we are reporting from, where the overall voter turnout stands at the lowest with 6.51%, and these are the data which were recorded at around 9 a.m. So the latest one of the 10 a.m. that is something which is yet to be arrived, but the maximum has been recorded so far ever since the voting began in the city at 7 a.m. Northeast Delhi, it is the highest with 10.70%, but the overall rate remains to be somewhere around 8%. So that is the polling or the voter percentage which has been recorded so far. And in a short while from now, we are expecting Sanjay Singh, who is the Member of Parliament from the Aam Aadmi Party. But the leaders from all of the three political parties, they are appealing to the voters to come out in huge number to exercise their right to vote, because today is the defining moment for the residents of the capital city, which is going to decide as to how exactly the next 5 years tenure is going to remain like in context to the overall city's development and the infrastructure as well. But as we speak, the voter turnout lowest has been recorded in the New Delhi constituency with 6.51%. Back to you.
All right, Nikhil, please stay with us. We also have Kritika with us, who's joining us from a polling booth in Kalkaji. Kritika, how is the situation over there? How is the voter turnout over there? And you spoke to a lot of voters since morning. What seems to be the key issues for the people?
Well, Anjali, sanitation and roads are one of the key issues. But apart from that, a lot of voters are also pointing out how the fact that they're voting today is also directly a result of their fundamental duties. In fact, our camera person will also be showing you how there is a consistent stream of voters that are fluttering in and out of the polling booth. We're seeing that, in fact, diverse demographics have also assembled here at the polling station. A short while ago, Chief Minister Atishi had also also cast her vote at this particular polling booth, and she talked about how this is an opportunity for Delhiites to in fact choose truth over falsehoods, and this is a direct relation to the incidents that have happened in the last 2 nights, wherein both the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party have been accusing each other of voter intimidation and manipulation, as well as of campaigning during silent hours. So again, on your screens, you'll be able to see how younger voters have also started going into the polling station, and we'll try and get in a word. Sir, you're live on Mirror now. आपके क्या issues रहे हैं आज जब आपने वोट अपना कास्ट किया था?
इश्यू तो कई हैं इसमें, यहाँ का सफाई का है, पानी का है, पोल्यूशन का है, जमुना की सफाई का है। इशू हैं।
आपको पिछले 5 साल में कुछ लगा कि काम हुआ हो, आगे उम्मीद है?
कुछ काम नहीं हुआ।
हमारी कॉलोनी इतनी साफ है, आप आके देखो, आपको इतना कूड़ा नहीं मिलेगा। और ये जो रोड है, हाउस टैक्स देते हैं इतने, हमें कोई कूड़े की प्रॉब्लम।
टूटी हुई रोड है जी, रोड पूरी टूटी हुई है और कोई
बना के राजी नहीं है।
कोई बनाने का
कोई फुटपाथ एनक्रोचमेंट, ये
एनक्रोचमेंट, हम तो अच्छी कॉलोनी में रहते हैं।
देशबंधु कॉलेज के बाहर देखिए ना कितनी एनक्रोचमेंट है, पूरी शॉप्स बन गई हैं सारी। कहाँ से आके लोग यहाँ पे शॉप्स उन्होंने बना ली है, उसको रोकने वाला तो कोई तो होगा।
बी ब्लॉक, सी ब्लॉक और डी ब्लॉक तक तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आगे जो ब्लॉक्स है वहाँ लोगों ने अपने वेंडर बिठा लिए हैं, दुकानें, हमारे इधर कुछ नहीं है
और एक्शन नहीं लिया जाता है उस
कोई लेता ही नहीं जी। हम क्या करेंगे कह के।
गोविंदपुरी एरिया ऐसा है, गोविंदपुरी एरिया है, जितनी दुकान अंदर है उतनी दुकान उन्होंने बाहर निकाल रखी है,
बढ़ाई करके रखा हुआ है, रोड पे
उठा रखे, कमाई का जरिया
है। वो मूर्तियां लगा रखी हैं कि कोई निकलना ही मुश्किल है।
मैम, आपने भी पोल्यूशन के बारे में बोला था कि चाहे वो यमुना पोल्यूशन की बात हो, चाहे एयर पोल्यूशन की बात हो।
पोल्यूशन है नहीं है, मैं तुम्हें बता दूं, पोल्यूशन कहीं नहीं है। रोज गाड़ियां बंद कर देते हैं, बच्चे तड़पते हैं ऑफिस जाने के लिए,
ग्रैब के चक्कर में,
ग्रैब अपनी इमेज बनाने के लिए। क्या पोल्यूशन को ये कर रहे हैं? पोल्यूशन नहीं है।
इतना क्या बात कर रहे हो, पोल्यूशन नहीं है।
Alright, let's also take a look at some of the reactions from the political leaders that have come today.
Sir, what appears to be the response of the voters so far? The voting
I don't know.
started at
I
7.
really don't know. We have been to 2-3 booths. Right now, it's about 5-10%. That's about it.
So your appeal to the voters, sir, today?
Just come and vote for a good candidate. That's all.
So my last question to you would be, what exactly do you think are the issues which are going to dominate this time
All
around?
issues have been discussed. Today is Voters' Day. I don't want to influence anybody. Let people come and vote for a good Delhi.
And early today, you have casted your vote.
Yes.
So what exactly are the issues according to you which are going to dominate this time around?
देखिए, दिल्ली में जो बेसिक अमेनिटीज़ हैं, यानी सड़क, पानी, बिजली, सीवेज, ड्रेनेज, स्वास्थ्य, ये वो हैं जो पूर्ण तरीके से 1 दशक से केवल दिल्ली सरकार के अधिकार क्षेत्र में रही हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पर कुशासन के कारण व्यवस्थाएं पूरी तरीके से चरमरा गई हैं। इसलिए ये बहुत बड़ा और अहम मुद्दा है। आपके ज़रिए मैं देवतुल्य मतदाता से ये करबद्ध प्रार्थना करती हूँ कि विकसित राष्ट्र की विकसित राजधानी बनाने के लिए कृपया आज आकर मतदान जरूर करें।
Why do you think this time around that the elections are very much important? On one side, the Aam Aadmi Party is eyeing for the 3rd consecutive win. On another side, the BJP is eyeing to make a comeback after 25 years. Do you think this is the defining moment for the residents of the capital city?
दिल्ली का देवतुल्य मतदाता बहुत समझदार है और अब उसको बहाने नहीं, बदलाव चाहिए। दिल्ली में भाजपा सरकार चाहिए।
You have casted your vote in the Delhi elections, and now how was your experience inside?
Excellent experience. In fact, everything is very, very smooth. I request people of Delhi to come and vote for the betterment of Delhi. I am appealing to the people of Delhi to come forward and vote.
देखिए, ये बिल्कुल साफ है, इस चुनाव में गुंडागर्दी सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने नहीं की है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी और दिल्ली पुलिस की साठ गांठ में गुंडागर्दी हुई है। जहां पर भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी चुनाव आचार संहिता का उल्लंघन कर रही थी, पुलिस ने उनको पूरा सपोर्ट दिया, शह दी, उनको लोकेशन से भगाया। जगह जगह पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पदाधिकारियों के ठिकानों पर पैसा मिला, फ्लाइंग स्क्वाड्स तक पहुंचे, पर दिल्ली पुलिस नहीं पहुंची। तो ये बिल्कुल साफ है कि जो गुंडागर्दी इस चुनाव में हो रही है वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी और दिल्ली पुलिस मिलकर कर रही है। जैसा मैंने कहा, ये धर्म युद्ध है।